According to the passage, which of the followings are considered as curb and deterrent in the journey by our whole heart? If we have courage to disinter our dream, we are then faced by the curb and deterrent, an obstacle, love. We know that we want to do, but are afraid of hurting those around us. That is, the love or emotion originated from our surroundings is the driving force here, and the behemoth means the display of strong feeling or passion, and endearment means love or affection, as given in choice B. So the correct answer can be represented by choice B. So choice B is one of the correct answers. Now, we do want it and know that we have staked everything on it. So, in choice C, the objects to be the subjects of our journey on which everything has been staked is a positive vibe for us to step onward and is not an obstacle or curb and deterrent. So, choice C is unfit to be a correct answer and is to be eliminated. In choice A, we can see that trepidation means fear and vanquishment means the defeats we meet in the pathways. That is what is said by the passage as we come up against another obstacle, fear of defeats. We will meet on the path. So choice A is another correct answer. So the correct answers are choice A and choice B.